Chess is without a doubt one of the most fascinating and popular games in history. If you fancy testing your knowledge while learning cool facts about chess, then take the chess quiz in this video. 1. How many squares does a chessboard have? A. 65. B. 32. C. 64. D. 99. Answer: C. 64. No more, no less. There are 8 horizontals, called files, and 8 verticals, called ranks, totaling 64 squares. 2. Who were the opponents in the famous evergreen game? A. Adolf Anderssen vs. Jean de Fresne. B. Paul Morphy vs. Howard Staunton. C. Wilhelm Steinitz vs. Emanuel Lasker. D. Jose Raul Capablanca vs. Alexander Olokhine. Answer: A. Adolf Anderssen vs. Jean de Fresne. The Evergreen Game is a famous chess game played by Jean de Fresne and Adolf Anderssen in 1852. Anderssen won it by sacrificing multiple pieces and delivering a beautiful checkmate. 3. How many moves was the longest known chess game in history? A. 101. B. 231. C. 269. D. 382. Answer: C. 269 moves. Can you imagine that? The game was played between Ivan Nikolic and Goran Arsovic in Belgrade, 1989. It lasted over 20 hours and ended in a draw. 4. What is it called when a player cannot defend an attack against their king? A. Check. B. Chess. C. Check chess. D. Checkmate. Answer: D. It is checkmate. Checkmating your opponent is the most important and crucial goal in the game of chess. 5. The quickest possible checkmate is in A. 2 moves. B. 1 move. C. 3 moves. D. 4 moves. Answer: the quickest possible checkmate is in A. 2 moves. Indeed, only 2 moves are needed to finish the game in the quickest possible way. This checkmate is also known as the fool's mate. 6. Where did chess originate? A. India. B. Russia. C. Italy. D. France. Answer: A. India. Historical evidence suggests that chess originated in India. 7. What does the word checkmate, Shahmat, mean in Persian? A. King is alone. B. King is hopeless. C. King needs help. D. King is dead. Answer: D. King is dead. In Persian, Shah stands for king and mat for dead, so there you have it, the king is dead. 8. Which game is the earliest known predecessor of chess? A. Checkers. B. Ludo. C. Chaturanga. D. Go. Answer: C. Chaturanga. It is believed to have been invented about 1,500 years ago and is the earliest known predecessor of chess. 9. Approximately how old is the game of chess? A. Around 1,500 years. B. Around 300 years. C. More than 5,000 years. D. Around 600 years. Answer: A. Around 1,500 years. There is evidence that the earliest predecessor of chess originated nearly 1,500 years ago in India and then spread to Persia. 10. Who was the first official world chess champion? A. Wilhelm Steinitz. B. Garry Kasparov. C. Bobby Fischer. D. Paul Morphy. Answer: A. Wilhelm Steinitz. The 1886 match between Wilhelm Steinitz and Johannes Zukertort was the first official World Chess Championship match. Steinitz won 12.5 to 7.5, 10 wins, 5 losses, 5 draws, and became the first official World Chess Champion. 11. What is the common abbreviation of the International Chess Federation? A. FIA. B. WCF. C. IFC. D. FIDE. Answer: D. FIDE. The abbreviation comes from French, and it stands for Fédération Internationale des Échecs. FIDE was founded in Paris on July 20, 1924. 12. What is the name of the rating system that measures a player's strength? A. LR. B. LO. C. Allo. D. Philo. Answer: B. LO. The system is named after its creator, Arpad Elo. He was a physics professor and also a chess master who worked to improve how the US Chess Federation measured players' skill levels. 13. Other than world champion, what is the highest title a chess player can earn? A. Supermaster. B. Extra Master. C. Grand Slam Master. D. Grandmaster. Answer: D. Grandmaster. The other alternatives are not real chess titles. Grandmaster, abbreviated GM, is a title that players can earn and which they carry for life. 14. What determines which player starts first in a chess game? A. Coin flip. B. Whoever comes first to the board. C. The player with the black pieces always goes first. D. The player with the white pieces always goes first. Answer: D. The player with the white pieces always starts first. 15. The folding chessboard was invented by A. Librarian. B. Priest. C. Accountant. D. Lawyer. Answer: B. Priest. 16. In 1988 a computer won against a GM for the first time. What was the computer called? A. DeepThink. B. The supercomputer. C. Deep Thought. D. Deep Chess. These days computers are much stronger even than the top players in the world, including the world champion. Answer: C. Deep Thought. This happened in the American Open, during which the computer won against GM Bent Larsen. 17. If you put 1 grain of wheat on the first square of the chessboard, then 2 on the second, 4 on the third, 8 on the fourth, and so on, how many grains of wheat do you need to put on the last 64th square? A. 999 999. B. 100000001. C. 6400000000. D. 9223 372 036 864 775 808, approximately 9.22 by 10 to the power of 18. Answer: D. 9223 372 036 864 775 808, approximately 9.22 by 10 to the power of 18. This is how vast and deep the game of chess is. There are so many combinations of possible moves, which make the game so interesting and unpredictable. 18. How did the first game between Earth and the crew of the Soyuz 9 spacecraft play on the 9th of June, 1970 finish? A. White 1. B. Black 1. C. It ended in a draw. D. It was never finished. Answer: C. It ended in a draw. The game ended peacefully with a draw after 35 moves and about 6 hours. It's interesting to mention that there was a special board designed for the game and the moves were sent via radio. 19. What is chess played by post or email called? A. Long distance chess. B. Correspondence chess. C. Open chess. D. Interactive chess. Answer: B. Correspondence chess. The main difference from regular chess is that the opponents play remotely, and they are not required to play at the same time. This gives more time to make a move, reducing the rate of blunders. 20. Which is greatest in number? A. All atoms in the universe. B. Possible games of chess. C. Stars in the Milky Way. D. People on the planet. Scientists have calculated that there are between 10 to the power of 78 to 10 to the power of 82 atoms in the observable universe. Answer: B. Possible games of chess. The virtually infinite number of possible chess games is one of the reasons why chess is so interesting and it is still popular today. Ranking. Add up your points to gauge your chess knowledge. Add 5 points to every question you got right and check where you stand. 0 to 20 points, beginner. 21 to 40 points, intermediate. 41 to 60 points, advanced. 61 to 80 points, expert. 81 to 100 points, chess genius. I hope you enjoyed diving into the chess world through this chess quiz and that it helped you widen your knowledge. Keep on learning as there are so many interesting chess facts still to be discovered and learned.